What's going on, guys? Hey, listen, this is Bay here. Thank you for tuning in. Let me get right into it. I'm here to try to start losing weight. So the plan is I'm gonna cook for most of the 7 days. All right, y'all. So this is some of the stuff that I've gotten. Got grapefruit, apples, different little yogurt and milk, cottage cheese, bell pepper, and some potatoes, carrots, the broccoli, fresh broccoli, and then this is all my meats right here. All the meat, ground turkey, chicken, and some ground beef, some onions here, oranges. So basically a lot of the stuff is what you need in order, of course, some of the herbs here and stuff. Here goes some of the other stuff here. Some of the oils that I'm gonna have and some of the nuts I'm gonna be eating. Of course, your oatmeal, certain bread and pasta and rice. So, and notice that I'm doing jasmine rice and not the regular rice. So, yeah, let me go back in here and then tell y'all what I'm getting ready to do. And of course the water. So that's pretty much it. Now you guys just getting ready to see and watch me throw it all together. I'm gonna put it in a little non-stick skillet and just let it do what it do. All right, let's get to it. So I got my onion that I'm gonna cut up. I'm gonna do half of that. I'm getting ready to make a frittata. I believe that's how it's stated, frittata. So I need 3 eggs, and I need this is black pepper, water. This is thyme, and my salt, then my olive oil. Of course, I'm gonna use some cheese on top. See, I don't spend all that time trying to be pretty. I just do it. That's what you do. You just do it. Because all that matters is cut. That's it. So you get it like that. Then you go like this. You got it just like this. Don't cut your hand though. Oh shit. Okay, don't cut your hand though. That's still good. It's still washed, still clean. Don't get the one on the floor though. So you peel this off right here. You do this here. Just like this. Just like that. Okay, now that's other ways you can also chop it, I know, but I'm kind of in a rush, so that's why I'm kind of the way I am. I'm trying to hurry up. Of course, if you watch probably my significant other, you'll see that she's really good at this. I'm good at it too, just not right now. But it's still gonna go in my belly, and it's gonna taste good. Now, I like to just get it one at a time. So I'm gonna let this onion get brown, so I'll see you when that happens. All right, it's brown now. You can see the little brown. I reduced the heat, so pour in my let it cook. See you in a minute once it's cooked. Dumb fellas out there, sometimes you gotta mess up and try to cook for yourself and learn how to cook. So it's looking pretty good right now. I got it on medium heat, so just gotta give it a little bit more time, y'all. A little bit more time. All right, this is the time. All right, this is the pepper. I didn't get the all right, let's just wait. All right, y'all, let's check it. Let's see what it looked like. Wow, look how beautiful that is. Get out of the light. Look how beautiful that is. Oh yeah, that's gonna be my breakfast, y'all. That's my breakfast. That's beautiful. All right, y'all. All right, y'all, that's the end of the frittata. Maybe next time I'll show you how I do my meats. Till then, peace.